What's going on? Hello. Once again, I'm back with another video here. So in today's video, we're going to talk about digital products. Digital products. So don't forget to like this video. Most definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, check the description below. Share this with someone. And of course, always stay tuned for the next latest video. So let's get into it. We already know how everything works basically on social media. Maybe you should, I don't know. But did you know digital products is basically winning right now? Digital products is winning right now. People, this is something that you gotta hop on. So yeah, click that link below and go to my digital products. It's gonna say it's my link tree link. Click that link, go to my digital products and grab you one of my products. I have emails done for you at no cost. I have social media marketing drop shipping. It is basically free to where you're pretty much getting my knowledge, experience, and opinions. That way you can also join into my Facebook group as well too. Also, drop shipping is very lucrative. Yes, it is. So click on that drop shipping made easy ebook, grab that, learn about what is drop shipping, how to find suppliers, wholesalers, what to do, what not to do, and so on and so forth. About 47 pages, so it's gonna definitely be worth it. Yeah, definitely be worth it. Hey, you want to learn how to sell on Amazon? Grab the Amazon FBA ebook as well too. If you don't have vendors and looking for more vendors, grab that as well too. So digital products are winning because boom, it's going directly to your email. As long as your email address is correct, then guess what? It's going directly to your email and boom, all you got to do is download that product and you're good to go. It's not trying to basically you having no inventory or anything like that, nothing inside your home or nothing that you just got to continue to stock up on. This is all coming to you digitally, no physical product whatsoever. People are selling ebooks. People are selling planners. People are selling templates. People are selling coloring templates, basically. People are selling all type of digital products that you can basically possibly think of. Ooh, I get tongue twisted. But it's in. It's definitely in. So that's why I say, hey, how to make probably $100 with digital products? That's definitely the way to go. But I definitely recommend to click that link below and get one of my digital products. So, hey, possibly you can rebrand it. You can sell it. Who knows? You can do that, right? Yeah, of course you can do that. So, get those digital products. It's worth it. You can learn so much through digital products. You can resell digital products. So, how you can make $100 possibly? Grab one of those products. Digital products is taking over the internet and it's basically helping people day in and day out. So, that was just something quick for me to say because it's like it's a win-win situation, right? So, how you can make $100 or more? Grab one of my digital products below. Get started on trying to do drop shipping, Amazon, grab that vendors list, whatever it may be. Do it. Why not? Digital products are hot. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely stay tuned for the next latest and greatest video. I will talk to you guys later.